Today we will study about hydrogen. Hydrogen is placed in first period 1A group in the modern periodic table. We all know that hydrogen is a gas. But do you know what type of gas is hydrogen? Hydrogen is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. And it is a highly inflammable gas. It quickly catches fire in air or oxygen and burns with a pale blue flame to form water. Hydrogen is also the lightest gas which is known to us. It is quite reactive in nature. It does not exist as single atom. In fact, hydrogen in nature occurs as a diatomic molecule. Now, hydrogen symbol is capital H. Its atomic number is 1. Its electronic configuration is also 1, and its valency is also 1. Now let us talk about discovery of hydrogen. Robert Boyle was the first scientist to prepare hydrogen gas in year 1672. But he could not prove the elemental nature of the gas. So he was not given the credit for the discovery of hydrogen gas. Another scientist by the name of Henry Cavendish in year 1766 prepared hydrogen gas by treating active metal with dilute hydrochloric acid. The reaction with which he was able to prepare hydrogen gas was he treated iron with dilute hydrochloric acid and the result FeCl2 and hydrogen gas was. So he prepared hydrogen gas by this reaction. Now the hydrogen gas which he prepared, he could prove its elemental nature. He also proved that when hydrogen gas is burnt in air or oxygen, it forms water. He called this gas as inflammable air. Another scientist by the name of Anthony Lavoisier, he also studied the properties of this gas and named it hydrogen. Because this hydrogen word comes from a Greek word which means maker of water or water producer. Now hydrogen gas is the most abundant element found in the atmosphere of sun, stars and the universe. About 93% of all the atoms which are found in the universe are of hydrogen. But only 1% of the Earth's surface is made up of hydrogen gas. That means hydrogen is found in very small amount on the Earth's surface. Now let us talk about occurrence of hydrogen gas. Where does hydrogen gas occur? Hydrogen gas occurs in free as well as in combined state. In free state, hydrogen gas is found in coal mines, in volcanic gases, above the petroleum deposits, and in traces trapped between the rocks. In combined state, hydrogen gas is found in water, in carbohydrates, proteins, fats, hydrocarbons. All the acids also they have hydrogen in them. All the alkalis they've got hydrogen in them. In fact, all the tissues of plants, animals and human beings have hydrogen as one of the elements. Now we'll talk about preparation of hydrogen gas. How can we prepare hydrogen gas? preparation of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas can be prepared from water. So first method by which hydrogen gas can be prepared is by the action of cold water, boiling water or steam over active metal. So there are three active metals: potassium, sodium and calcium, which can react with cold water to liberate hydrogen gas. Let us see the reaction. First method is reaction of cold water or boiling water or steam on active metals. Remember, there are only three metals which can react with cold water. So potassium reacts with cold water to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is released. Remember, this reaction is very fast and exothermic in nature. So the hydrogen gas which is produced quickly catches fire because of the heat and burns with a lilac flame. So in this reaction, the hydrogen gas cannot be collected. Let us see the reaction in which sodium reacts with cold water. Now sodium reacts with cold water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Again, this reaction is very fast and exothermic, and the hydrogen gas which is produced when it is liberated because of the heat catches fire and burns with a golden yellow flame. In this reaction, again the hydrogen gas cannot be collected. But if you want to collect hydrogen gas in this reaction, you can wrap this sodium metal with wire gauze and drop it into the trough containing water. Or you can use amalgamated sodium to collect hydrogen gas in this reaction. Now let us see the third active metal which can react with cold water. Calcium can also react with cold water slowly to form calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is liberated. So these three metals, they can react with cold water to liberate hydrogen gas. Now the second method by which hydrogen gas can be prepared is by the action of dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid on active metals. Let us see few examples. By the action of dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid on active metals. For example, magnesium reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Similarly, zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas is liberated. Zinc can also react with dilute sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is liberated. So these are the two methods by which hydrogen gas can be prepared. There are other methods of preparing hydrogen gas also that we are going to discuss in our next video.